How to review connected on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review connected on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner, and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings, then go down, click activity log, and then connections, and click connected. And here you can review connected on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. That's how to review connected on Facebook mobile. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.